As usual, apps do keep updating and Snapchat has been too. So if you're wondering how to make group chat on Snapchat in 2022, well, you've come to the right place because today I'm going to show you just that. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Snapchat. And then at the bottom row, you'll see a chat icon right here. So just tap on that. So at the bottom right corner, you'll see a little chat icon that's in a blue circle. So just tap on this. So right now you'll see right here at the top, new group, chat up to 100 friends. So you can create a group up to 100 people. So tap on this. So whoever you want to add in the new group, just type their name. Or you can select any of the options that is shown to you right here. So once you've added, you can just click on chat with group that is in the middle of your screen. And if you want to name the group, it's right here at the top. So once you've named the group, you don't have to right now, you can do that later. You can just press chat with group that's shown in the middle of your screen. So just tap on that. And that's it, your group has been created. So if you want to know more about Messenger and want to know how to unblock someone on Messenger Android, just tap on that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.